If you're already making money online, I fully understand that you don't want to stop. After all, working from home is so convenient because you can stay in the comfort of your own home and use all of the devices you're already familiar with. Not to mention that you can take a break whenever you want and finish what you're doing. The nicest part about generating money online is that you get reimbursed based on the outputs that you've made, rather than the useless hours that are usually so dragging. Oh, speaking of the online world of money making, I just discovered a very low-key technique of generating money online that I believe few people are aware of. So I quickly looked into it and tried it out for myself. I'm excited to tell you about this because it's truly incredible. Because I rarely come across many tactics that have this much potential and power. But this method right here is one of the finest, if not the best. So, watch until the end of this video to know this brand new secret strategy. Consider yourself extremely fortunate that you stumbled across this video because I'm telling you you're in for a real treat. This method has several perks that come with it, aside from the fact that you can earn $700 each day, and it's all done entirely online. You don't even have to spend a single penny while doing so. That's right, you don't have to make any investments or payments of any kind to pull this off. You'll only need your devices, or any device at that. You have complete flexibility to use your computer, laptop, tablet, or even just your smartphone, since this method will always work regardless of whatever device you use. Not only that, but it caters to everyone in the world because it is widely available in all countries. It really makes no difference where you're from because everything will work. On top of all these incredible perks, you don't even need any prior job experience or technical knowledge to apply this strategy because it's all aligned and designed to best match newbies like you who are just getting started in the money earning arena. To get your hands on this method, all you have to do is watch this video till the very last second. And of course, you already know not to move forward to prevent losing important information that may help this method work. So without further ado, let's go straight into the first website, Brave.com, which will steal your breath away due to its overwhelming capability in terms of generating effective streams of money online. Because I'm sure you use Google as your primary browser, Brave functions in the same manner. It does with Google. With pride and honor, it declares itself to be a website that is 3 times quicker than Chrome. As they claim on their website, they offer better protection from Google and big tech. So, what is so special about Brave and why is it one of the best browsers in the world? You can find everything you need to know right here on their main website, with these very effective and interesting features that they present with maximum security. They claim that you can stop being followed online as they block all creepy ads that may find their way into your browser. Also, the online privacy mode is so simple to use that you can activate it with a single click and it will do all the work for you. Additionally, you will find extreme accessibility and ultimate ease while you use this software, ensuring a great experience. So given all of these innovative features offered by Brave, where's the part where we get to earn money? That's simply because you're already making tons of money just by browsing online and looking at your favorite creators. All you have to do now is go back to your account information and there you have it. Money flowing straight into your pocket. And here's one last thing I want you to know about Brave, is that it is accessible even on your mobile device. This means that even if you're on the go, you can keep hustling to make more money because you can simply access it on your smartphone. It makes no difference whether you use an Android or an iOS smartphone, since it will all function properly. It's available in both Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, so you may use any device you like. So before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video. So the second website that I'd like you to be aware of in this video is called joinupvoice.com. Right away, you can see what this platform is all about with a voice. And you can start earning gift cards simply by visiting your social media platforms on your personal computer. When you think about it, it's completely perfect because all you have to do is visit your social media platforms, which is one of the most basic and mundane things to do on your computer. You already spend so much time on the internet in a single day, so getting paid for it is incredible. To learn more about how this works, scroll down to this section, which has all of the information you need to continue using this platform. Step 1 is to install the software. After you sign up, simply install the UpVoice browser extension and take note that it's completely safe and simple to use. Step 2 is to browse and simply visit their supported social media programs that you've already grown to love and use regularly. Finally, Step 3 is to simply earn as you browse voice anonymously and captures the Asta and gives you daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Did you realize that the gift cards that come with them are so extensive and that they have a complete list? That is the icing on top. Amazon Prepaid Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, Burger King, Banana Republic, eBay, and many more are just a few of the most popular gift cards. Feel free to explore the page further and look for additional information to gain a better understanding of this platform. The website still has a lot of sections, so feel free to browse through them all and fill in any informative gaps in your system. For me, it would just pierce right through the primary idea, and we can now go on to the sign-up procedure. You can see this blue button right here in the middle of the page that says Sign Up. I want you to click on that and it will take you to this page where you can officially sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is also quick because you can simply choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo, which makes your life a lot easier. Once you've finished, there's nothing else for you to do except pull it off with finesse and work your way to the top, becoming one of UpVoice's success stories. Now with Brave and UpVoice under our belts, we're ready to move on to the third and final website in today's video, QMe.com. So I kept this one for last since it's the easiest of the bunch in my opinion. As you can see right here, all you have to do is share your thoughts on brands and shop to earn real cash rewards, not just swag or meaningless points. All you have to do is share your opinion on brands by completing surveys anytime and everywhere you want. Once you've done this, you'll be well paid and see your earnings rise daily. You'll then collect your money using PayPal, which is wonderful because PayPal is probably the easiest way to claim your income. So, how do we accomplish this properly? It can be summarized in 3 simple steps. Number 1, you can participate in surveys where businesses want to know your opinion and will pay for it. Number 2, you can earn cash back on great products and enjoy having some more money in your wallet at the end of the month. And finally, you can find deals on the biggest brands or simply let them show you the ones you like. Consider this. QMe is extremely proud of their outstanding Trustpilot rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Although the total number of reviews is approaching 3,000, this 4.5 rating is not something lightly given. But if you truly want to make a lot of money fast and easily, I strongly advise you to explore all of these 3 strategies. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.